Deep in the southern heart of Punjab lies a landscape defined by endless and shifting dunes and ancient history. This is the Cholistan Desert, locally known as Rohini. It is a sprawling ocean of earth that stretches over 26,000 square kilometers. It serves as a natural bridge, seamlessly connecting the borders of Pakistan with the great Indian Thar Desert. Rising suddenly from the dust like a mirage in the middle of nowhere is the majestic Dhirawat Fort. Its scale is breathtaking with 40 massive circular bastions standing 30 meters high and visible for miles across the horizon. This fortress has stood guard over these ancient trade routes for centuries. Built originally by Rajput ruler and later maintained by the Nawabs of Bahawalpur, this remains the most iconic symbol of the region's enduring strength and resilience. But even stone cannot resist the passage of time. The interior tells a different, more fragile story. These crumbling walls and silent corridors echo with the memories of glorious past, but they are now facing the harsh realities of the modern climate. Neglect and the relentless hurt are slowly eroding this heritage. In this arid environment, history is fighting a desperate battle to survive against the eroding wind and the scorching sun. Beyond the fort, life here is entirely defined by the eternal search for water. It is a land of extremes where the ecosystem hangs by a thread and every single drop of rain is considered a blessing. The local people often living as a nomad and the wildlife have adapted in incredible ways to survive in one of the toughest environments on earth. Here, the dry beds of ancient water ponds known as tubas dictate the movement of both man and animal. Yet this stillness does not last forever. Once a year, the silence of the sand is shattered by the roar of high-powered engines during the famous Tulistan Jeep Rally. This event transformed the desert, bringing the world to Ruhi and celebrating the vibrant spirit and culture of this land. But what is the future of this landscape? To understand the real life challenges facing this ecosystem today, we spoke to students analyzing the threats of climate change, water scarcity, and other problems.
What are the biggest threat to the Cholistan ecosystem today?
Cholistan ecosystem faces a lot of threats these days. Some of them could be climate change or drought or deforestation, and hunting is also main reason which is causing this. Yeah.
How do people in Cholistan find water?
The people of Cholistan mostly use tobas. They are rainwater ponds that they use to extract water. They also use wells and other things to get water.
Okay. Why is it important for us to protect desert ecosystem?
I believe that it is important because it supports a lot of animals, very unique animals and plants that help protecting these deserts helps protect biodiversity too, and a lot of people's livelihood depends on it.
What are the biggest threats to the Cholistan ecosystem today?
Today, the biggest threats to the Cholistan ecosystem are deforestation, climate change, water scarcity, and which makes the land drought and there cracks appear there, and the animals there cannot drink water, and the people can really live there because the living conditions get very worse there.
Okay. How do people find water in Cholistan?
Water is rarely found there on land, but people found it through tobas and wells, and if they can find it through tobas and wells, a water pump comes there or a tanker comes there to provide water to the people living there.
Oh, thank you. Why is it important for us to protect desert ecosystem?
We should protect desert ecosystem because some of the finest plants are only grown in desert ecosystem, just like cactus and other plants. Secondly, we should protect desert ecosystem because it helps in soil erosion as well.
Hello, Assalamualaikum. So, what is the biggest? Why it is important for us to protect desert ecosystem?
It is very important to protect desert ecosystem because there are a lot of endangered species or vital species present in the ecosystem that play a vital role in regulating our system, and they have different values like environmental, social or economic. Many people come for tourism to Cholistan specifically, and there is a huge amount of revenue that is generated just because of the diversity of animals and ecosystem present there.
Okay. How do people, as you talked about water scarcity, then how do people in Cholistan find water?
As you know, in desert ecosystem, ground water is very low or very less. So recently, during times in the current government has set up a water facility through government.
Yes.
So after a certain period, few tanks are delivered there, and the water is just collected in the ponds, and people and animals use water from there.
Okay, thank you, Zenbal. Okay, what are the biggest threats to the Cholistan ecosystem today?
One of the biggest threats to Cholistan ecosystem today is the scarcity of water and the spread of diseases. Recently, disease was spread in the Cholistan, due to which over 100 animals suffered and many of them died. So these are few challenges that are being faced by the ecosystem and the people of Cholistan.